Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, September 30th, 2014. This is the final trading day of the month. Tomorrow we'll start the October month, and we'll see how this market plays out. But right now, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, they are trading higher by about 6 points to 1975.5 per contract. So we're going to see how these futures play out today, but futures are trading slightly higher before the opening bell, and here's the reason. You have the dollar yen catching a bid today. Dollar yen is up decently. It's up about 29 cents. You also have the U.S. dollar index trading higher today, and that is certainly helping the matter. So you can see the U.S. dollar index right now trading higher by about 49 cents as well. Remember, when the dollar is strong, that usually means the dollar yen is strong. When the dollar yen is strong, that's the carry trade of the world right now, and that is keeping the liquidity in the stock market. If you do start to see this sell off or fade, that could be problematic for the stock market overall, and then we would expect the S&P to trade down as well. So we'll talk a little bit more about that a little bit later, but let's get right into the charts here. There's some stocks that are in the news. We're going to start off with Ford Motor. Ford Motor had a big sell-off yesterday. You're going to see the stock really got hammered on some news that their European units or European sales are going to be very weak. The stock really sold off, and we have levels for that to be traded today. So again, we're going to watch for some major support levels coming up. I'll have these levels given in the chat room at 9 a.m. Again, if you want to trade Ford with us, take a 7-day free trial to our intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing, get all of our morning setups, all of our morning trades. And again, it's a 7-day free trial. You have nothing at risk. Just watch and observe and see what we're about. All right, let's take a look here at eBay. eBay is up next, and eBay came out with news today that they will be spinning off their PayPal unit, breaking up into two separate companies. Stock spiked all the way up to $60. You can see that this is a big weekly chart double top right there, and it has faded from that level. So right now, eBay is trading around $56.45. I have to say, by looking at the chart, around $56.25, $56 level is where this thing is going to probably stall out. So again, it has already pulled back. I would expect it to just hover around that 56 level. That's what the charts are telling us. And again, if we see anything different on eBay during the session, we will be trading it or looking to trade it today. I do want to mention a takeover that took place this morning. Ticker symbol was MOVE. This is the company that owns Realtor.com and a few other real estate sites. They are being bought out by News Corp. So if you own MOVE, congratulations. You do not want to be a buyer here. If you own it, you can trail your stop or take your money off the table. Either way, the choice is yours. But usually when you see this kind of a pattern, this is just a takeover pattern. Let's take a look at News Corp, who was the buyer of the company, and you're going to see that News Corp right now is trading at around $16.80. I don't really see a lot of downside for News Corp, but it could go back down and test maybe $16.65, $16.68. That's a possibility, but I don't think there's a lot of downside in this. It wasn't a huge purchase, but nonetheless, it was a purchase made by News Corp today. Let's take a look at Walgreens. Walgreens will be in the news. I believe they had earnings, but you could check the news out for yourself. Right now, the stock is trading at $61. It caught a pretty good bid from yesterday's close, which was $59.60. I'm going to give Walgreens the upside bias to $64. I'm not sure it'll get there today, but nonetheless, it's a strong gap, and we do want to respect strong gaps. So we're going to give Walgreens the upside bias to 64. We'll see if it stalls out there. Again, this is another equity we will be looking to play intraday if the right setup presents itself. And again, just one stock you can watch us trade and navigate through in the intraday stock chat. Let's take a look at Masco. Ticker symbol is MAS, and what you're going to see here is that the company right now announced that they will be selling off certain units. They're also doing some type of repurchase. So again, pretty good little pop, but I don't see the stock getting above 26.25 here. So be very careful. If you own Masco, just trail your stop loss. You can see it has already pulled back from 25.50, but we'll give it the maximum upside bias here to around 26.25 ultimately. I don't even know if it gets there today, but this is a stock that will be on our radar today during the intraday stock chat, and we'll be looking to play this one. Let's go over and take a look at DWA, which is DreamWorks. Now, yesterday, DreamWorks roared and soared. The stock traded above up to $29. Today, it is trading at $25.38. So it looks like they had a deal supposedly rumored to be with SoftBank as a takeover, and today they're not getting taken over by SoftBank. The stock is coming back down to earth. I do have some levels for DreamWorks that we will be watching, and we will be playing this one a little bit later. So again, if you want to trade this with us, come on over to the intraday stock chat. I'll have all the levels posted there for DWA for potential scalp plays this morning. Again, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. Watch us trade this, and you may just want to become a member. All right, let's take a look here at the gold market today. You have gold futures trading down 11 points. Generally, whenever the dollar yen is higher, gold futures will be lower. Gold futures right now are trading around the $1,208 an ounce level. So a pretty good little fall there for gold futures. Let's take a look at the GLD. GLD, you'll see right now, is trading at 116.04. So it was higher, but has come back down. It closed at around 117.03, so that's a pretty good dip in the GLD today. So be very, very careful trading gold. There are no levels here that I really love for gold at the moment. Gold is really underperformed. As long as dollar yen is holding up well, gold will generally be a little bit on the weaker side. But if dollar yen starts to sell off, take a quick glance at gold, because gold will catch a bid. That's the inverse correlation that has been taking place for quite a while now, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. Let's take a look at the oil market. Light sweet crude is trading down about 9 cents to $94.48 a barrel. Let's go over to the USO. What you're going to see here for the USO is that the USO is trading at around $35.52. This is basically where it closed. If by some chance oil catches a bid today, or the USO rather, watch the 36.24 level. There'll be excellent resistance up at that spot. I don't really have any downside levels, but I will say this. Right now you have a lot of support still around the $34 area if it does get there. I'm not sure that will happen, but we will look to always play oil intraday. So again, take a 7-day free trial to that intraday stock chat, and you'll see everything that we're doing regarding gold, oil, and individual stocks, currencies, ETFs. Really makes no difference. If it's on the chart, we can trade it. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day. Right now, the futures are sitting a little bit higher today, trading up about 5 points on the session. But remember, if the US dollar index or the dollar yen start to fall, that will definitely cause the futures to pull back a little bit more. With that being said, have a great morning. We'll see you on the charts.